This video is going to be about repairing the sagging floor of a wooden kitchen cabinet. As you can see, this floor is coming apart at the back, bowing toward the center. You can see that the metal staples are coming out of the wood. I believe that a couple of things contributed to this, both the weight of the items that were on the floor of the cabinet and the many instances of steam coming up from the stove. On with the repair. I'm stacking all these items on top of the stove to create a stable platform for my scissor jack, and of course because it needs to reach the bottom of the cabinet. Trying to keep everything centered. Another plank of the wood is going to go on top of the jack so to distribute the force evenly when it's pushing up on the cabinet's floor. Just checking to see if it's going to work as planned. The scissor jack is from my car, by the way. You can see that the glue I selected says dries clear, which is what I wanted since I knew that there would be some of it coming out after I pressed the wood together. I'd say that's a pretty solid repair. I'm very happy with the results.